Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You start by opening Google Maps and switching to the satellite layer so you see real imagery, not basic maps. Make sure location services are allowed. This speeds centering. Next, search for an address or drop a pin and set a comfortable zoom level. Too close loses context, too far hides detail. If available, tilt the view for angled imagery to reveal building heights. This helps when you want terrain cues. Once done, lock on your point of interest to move to targeted inspection. Now you analyze. Zoom carefully and rotate to align roads. Precise gestures help identify small features. Use Street View where available to confirm ground-level details, and run the measure tool to calculate distances or areas, great for planning. If you need temporal context, open historical imagery on desktop to compare changes over time. Also, toggle labels and 3D buildings to understand orientation and elevation. Combining layers gives both visual detail and navigational context, which clarifies what you're seeing. Finish by saving places to lists or copying coordinates in decimal degrees for sharing. That preserves exact locations. Capture screenshots or use the print/export tools to create reference files and always note the imagery date. This matters for decisions. If you encounter blurry or missing tiles, clear your browser cache, try a different device or network, and make sure the app is updated. If problems persist, report outdated imagery through the app so Google can prioritize updates. This often resolves long-term issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.